Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to do the unboxing of this GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you can see here, I have also bought this sports kit along with this GoPro Hero 7 Black. So at first let's unbox this GoPro Hero 7. Later on we will see what we have got inside this sports kit as well. Towards the front side of the box they have mentioned that GoPro Hero 7 Black, and they have also mentioned that this camera will provide gimbal like stabilization, which they are calling it as a Hypersmooth stabilization. Towards the right side of the box they have shown these are all the accessories they have included in this box. Towards the left side of the box they have mentioned that this is a 12 megapixel camera, and talking about the video recording capabilities, this camera can shoot up to 4K at 60 fps. This camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, voice command is supported, fully touchscreen, 8x slow motion, GPS, HDR, and the best thing about this camera is it supports Hypersmooth stabilization, and also you can live stream using this camera. Towards the backside of the box they have mentioned this GoPro Hero application. Through this application you can fully control your GoPro Hero 7 Black using your smartphone. Opening up the outer covering, we have got this GoPro Hero 7 Black, and also we have got this instruction guide, and also we have got this safety instruction guide. Along with that we have got these two GoPro Hero stickers. Inside the box we have got this USB Type-C cable through which you can transfer your data, and as well as you can charge your GoPro Hero 7 Black. And we have got this battery which is of 1220 milliamp hour, and also you will get these two different kinds of mount to mount your GoPro. So these are all the things which you will get inside the GoPro Hero 7 Black box. Now let's open up this sports kit and let's see what we have got inside this compact case. As you can see here, we have got this chest mount, a pole mount. Using this pole mount you can mount your GoPro on a handlebar, and also we have got this vertical mount as well. Talking about the physical overview, towards the front side of the camera we have got this GoPro logo, a 12 megapixel camera, and also a secondary display. Important information such as video resolution, FPS, recording time, as well as your battery status will be displayed on this secondary screen. Towards the top side of this camera we have got this shutter button. Towards the right side of the camera they have provided a mode button through which you can select photo mode, video mode, or you can select time lapse as well. In this camera you will get 3 microphones along with the 3 LED status indicators. Towards the left side of the camera they have provided a micro HDMI port along with the USB Type-C port. Towards the back side of the camera we have got this nice and bright LCD touchscreen. On the bottom side of this camera they have provided a battery compartment. In this battery compartment they have also provided a SD card slot. Along with that they have also provided a small speaker. Now let's insert this battery as well as micro SD card into the camera. And one thing I would like to say that if you are using this camera, I will recommend you to use this SanDisk Extreme SD card for better results. After turning on and after doing the basic settings, the user interface will look something like this. As I have already mentioned, this camera can record 4K at 60 fps with the Hypersmooth stabilization, which is a great thing. And these are all the voice commands supported on this GoPro Hero 7 Black. Using this mode button you can quickly jump between video mode, photo mode, and time-lapse mode. Now let's check the Hypersmooth stabilization of this camera, and also I will show you the time warp video and a few sample pictures which I have taken from this camera. So finally, talking about the price, this camera is available for 32,700 rupees on Amazon. If you wish to buy this camera, I have provided a link in the description. So that's it guys, hope you guys like this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, have a great day, bye bye.